Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a memory spread for the week of February 26th through March 4th, and I'm using the leftovers from this May mystery kit from GP Sticker Studio. If you want to see what I did with this kit in my regular planner, that is already up, and you can definitely go check that out. I have a lot of leftovers here, so I just thought I could throw this into my memory planner and save a little bit of money. So let me show you what I have left. So I have this double box here, which I think I will use. I just don't know where, but maybe not. I don't know. I'm going to have to decide because I have a lot of pictures this week. I have quite a few of the half boxes and 2/4 left. I've got 4 full boxes. I've got some checklists, which I don't think I'll be using. I've got a lot of deco left, which is good. I've got day covers. I've got some icons and some headers and some little things and some more headers, and I've made sure to save the this week header so I can use that. And then I have some of the washi strips, there we go, and some of that. So I have these headers, I'm going to use those, and I don't have any bottom washi because I already used that, so I've got to figure out something for the bottom washi. So let me go look real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have these 4 washi that I can use. This is from Target, this is Scotch, this is from Recollections, and this is from Sadie Stickers. So I think this will go really well with the theme of this kit. I used some of these in my other spread, so that is what we're going to use. At this point, I'm going to speed you through and do a voiceover like I normally do, and then at the end, we will look at it closer and we can chat about it. So let me get into this. I will see you on the other side. Okay, so I started with the bottom washi and I decided to layer these 2 washis. So the black one is from Scotch, like I said before, and the black and white one is from the Target dollar spot around Valentine's Day. So I put the black one down first, and then I layered the black and white one on top of it. I thought that looked really nice once I got the whole spread put together. That layered look is very in right now too. And then I decided to work on, excuse me, on the day covers, and I chose the white ones with the black, it's like crushed gems, kind of like planner gems. And I love that she has the squared off date dots. They're so easy to put on. I thought these looked really nice too once it was all put together. Kind of brings some interest up to the top. And when I use date covers like this, I don't use a header right under it. I just think that looks too busy. And then I realized I needed to find out something or figure out something for the flag. So I took this strip of washi with the plus signs on it and or crosses or whatever you want to say, and kind of cut those down and use those. I thought those looked nice. And then for the sidebar, I used this full box, which has the Hygge definition. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that correctly. I listened to it on YouTube probably 2 or 3 times. There's a lot of kits with that theme lately, so I feel like I need to know how to pronounce it. And then I put down 2 strips of washi and the this week header for my journaling section, and I'm just kind of organizing my pictures now into what days they go on to. And then, as usual, I put in my videos first, my thumbnails, because I always forget them unless I do them first. So I put up 3 videos that week. So I put down this little arrow sticker from the freebie and put help the teacher with the makerspace. And then it's great to hear that it's helping re-energize him. So we have an older teacher who was kind of just stuck in a rut, and he asked me for some help. And so I showed him some stuff to do in our high school makerspace, and he was so kind and lovely about it, and he just like jumped straight on in. So that was cool. And then I put down the full box underneath that, and then I decided to go ahead and use this giant double box. I wish they weren't quite so big, But as it turns out, I didn't have much going on this week, at least at the beginning of the week. So those came in a little bit handy. And then on Tuesday, I put down that half box with the plant on it and started my last module, which is the last part of my first grad class. And then I put down the water bottle, also from GP Sticker Studio, it was finally warm enough to go for a walk. I needed some thinking time. So it has been kind of chilly and super dry here in Texas, and I needed to get outside for a while. So luckily I could do that. And then over on Wednesday, I put down the planning time sticker and a header above that to kind of separate that section. And then I realized I had like blank spaces everywhere and I needed to fill them. And so I was going to put a list of some things that I did that day, but it didn't work out. So then I just decided to put down that I got a bunch of happy mail that day, which is nice. And then I put the asterisk down and put good strength workout. I need to do some more of those. And so that was notable. And then over on Wednesday, I put I'm slacking off because I am. And then tons of filming next to the planning time sticker. And then on Thursday, I started with a half box and put a picture of the tennis tournament that I was working at and put admin at tennis tournament because that was my first like official admin duty. It went okay. There were a couple issues, but no biggie. And then at the bottom, I put down these 2 pics of some art that I created for the Panhandle Planners Facebook group, and I just put on the little quarter box, worked on art for Facebook group. And I got those updated and all on the group, which is fun. I love designing that stuff. And then underneath the tennis pic, I put finished practicum report. I took a half day, so I worked the afternoon on my class, finishing up some stuff. And then a little piece of washi to fill up some space. And then on Friday, I put so many sub-plans. So I was going to be gone for the whole next week. And so I had to get together like so much sub stuff. It was insane. And then on Friday, also I hit 1,400 subscribers. So I marked that with a little screenshot. And then that full box with the candles and the lamp. And then I put a little piece of washi to kind of separate and the little cleaning icon and put cleaned house. That's pretty much what I did on Friday night, which I know doesn't sound very fun, but I needed to prep to be out of town. I hate coming home to like a dirty house, so I had to do that. And then I found a weekend banner since I'd already used the other one. And then a half box with a little flag and had to call the plumber about the dishwasher. So my dishwasher overflowed and the water like traveled down the wall. It was insane. It really was scary to me, but it really wasn't that big of a deal when it came down to it. So, and I wrote, luckily it wasn't that serious, but it was nerve-wracking and set my day back. So I had to spend like a lot of my day doing that. And that was basically the day I was going to spend prepping to leave. And so it just set me back. So then I put the piece of washi with the fold laundry sticker and put laundry and packing. And then at the bottom, I didn't know what I wanted to do down there because I really didn't do anything else that day besides deal with that situation. So I decided to put down a couple of pieces of deco and a quote that I really, really like. So the quote says, "Doubt kills more dreams than fear." And it's from, the little print is from Natter Doodles on Instagram. And then I just put this piece of deco because I wanted to use it so bad. And I actually like how that turned out. So then on Sunday, I was traveling pretty much the whole day. So I put down this plane from some old leftovers and put 11 a.m. on there, but I'm going to change that in a minute. And then I took a pic from my first flight. So I put that on there. And then I put this little quarter box and I put, I hate flying, because I really do. It like gives me such anxiety. I just hate it so much. It stresses me out. And then underneath that, I put a pic from my layover in Dallas. and then a quarter box, and put arrived around 4 p.m. And then that night, I went ahead and went and picked up my badge for the conference, so I put a little picture of that on there. And then in my journaling section, I decided to throw down some deco pieces that I really wanted to use and just kind of journal around them. I've been doing that lately, and I really like it. I think it looks cute. Okay, this is where I kind of switched this section. I wanted to use one of those Paper Princess plans, girls. And so I fit her in there and then put 11 a.m. underneath the plane. So back over to the journaling, I put, this week was pretty stressful. I was looking forward to Austin, but I also kind of hate traveling, especially by myself. Then the weekend came and it was one thing after another. ... It was nice to get away though. And it really was. I like going to Austin. This is the first time I went by myself, so it was a little bit different of a trip, but I made it fun for myself, I guess. And that is everything. All right, here is the spread all finished, and I really, really like it. Let me show you what the original spread looked like. So here is my regular planner, which I loved this, and I really like how this turned out. So I kind of played up the white and kind of the peachy tones that are in this kit. So I pulled in this weekend banner from an old Scribble Prince Co. kit, and yeah, let me zoom in and I'll tell you where everything's from. I used a lot of the kit, so most of it is the actual kit. All right, so let's see. Everything is from the kit. I did use the double box. Yeah. This is GP Sticker Studio also. Over here, I have just a leftover plain, and this is from Paper Princess. And everything else is from the kit. So I feel like I definitely got a lot of use out of the kit. I got 2 full spreads out of it, which is really, really nice. And yeah, I just love how this turned out. I really like this washi at the bottom. It just kind of like gels with everything, and I really like it. So I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you next time. Bye!